Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video I am going to show you how to get more followers and more likes on Instagram. So I am Shafi, you are watching Shafi Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, if you want more likes and followers on your Instagram account, then I'm going to show one best method so that you can get more likes and followers on your Instagram account. So guys, to get more followers and likes on your Instagram account, you must have hashtags. So guys, I think you have already heard about hashtags, but you will keep hashtags even though you are not getting likes. What is the reason? So if the hashtags that you are giving are waste hashtags, waste means not waste, but those hashtags are not in trending. So you have to give the hashtags which are in trending so that those hashtags are viral. So those hashtags can make your photo too viral. So you must have best hashtags. So how to get best hashtags? So guys, first let me show you the photo that I'm going to upload on my YouTube. Sorry, not YouTube, Instagram. So here you can see this photo. So if you see carefully, so this photo belongs to nature. So guys, this photo belongs to nature. So I must have hashtags. So guys, I must have the hashtags about nature. So how to get those best hashtags? So open your Google Chrome, and after opening the Google Chrome, type tag blender. Tag blender. So guys, after tapping on the tag blender, scroll down, and here you can see there are many categories. So here I'll select nature. So nature. So guys, now here you can see in this nature we have again categories. So beach, nature, cloud, flower, landscape, sea, sky, summer, that's all we have. So now here I'll select landscape because my picture is regarding to landscape. So here what you have to do means in this landscape box you can see all these hashtags. So you must use those hashtags. How to use? So guys, you should not select all these hashtags. So you have to select only some hashtags. So first any one hashtag, so hold that one hashtag, and here you can see this blue drag slider. So drag it how many hashtags you want, but don't select all the hashtags. Should not select all those hashtags. So here I'll select until nature lover, and after that tap on copy. So after tapping on the copy, open your Instagram. So after opening the Instagram, tap on the photo symbol, and after tapping on the photo symbol, select the photo, and after that tap on next. So if you want to do any type of editing, then you can do. So here I'll select this one, and after that I'll tap on next. So guys, after that first you have to give the location. So this is near Marina Beach. So here I'll type Marina Beach. So Marina Beach outside. And after that you have to give the location. So here you can say I give the location. So after that in this caption, go some down, and after that hold. So after tapping on the hold, tap on paste. Now here you can say all your hashtags. So after that you must give another 2 hashtags. So give the hashtag called follow and the another hashtag called like, and after that tap on share. So after tapping on the share, now I'll show you the photo. So this is a photo, and now here you can see all those hashtags. So here you can see all those hashtags that I give, and down here you can see those hashtags, hashtag follow and hashtag like. So now here you can see I got this red symbol. Now here you can see something name, so like your post. So here you can see, and here you can see, so I got another like. So total now here you can say I'm having 2 likes. So within 3 to 5 seconds I got 2 likes easily. So like that you can keep up to 1 day so that you can get easily likes. Now here you can say again I got another like. Now total I'm having 3 likes. So like that. So guys, these hashtags are very useful. So how to get those hashtags? So guys, here you can see I'm getting so many likes. Let me refresh. So I'm having 5 likes. So guys, Tag Blender is a really best website. So you can get all those all powerful and all trending hashtags. So not only nature, you can also get for fashion, you can get for art, you can get for a shootout, you can get for a like, and those are the popular hashtags. So which type of category is your photo? So after that, select the category that you want. So now here you can see I got total 6 likes. So like that, if you keep for one day, then you can get many more likes, and not only likes, you can also get followers. But followers are somewhat late, but likes you can get somewhat easily, and you have to wait for followers. So guys, this is a proof that I'm showing to you. So within 48 seconds I got 1 like, 56 seconds and 58 seconds. So 1 minute, 1 minute and 2 minutes. So, and here you can see I got another like. So, and here you can see again 3 minutes. So started following you. So here you can see. So again I got another like. So now total I'm having 8 likes. So guys, I like that you will get easily likes. So moving to the followers. So followers will take some time. We have to wait it. So, and here you can see comment. So here you can see when you are getting one comment, amazing pic, your works are so beautiful, congrats. So like that you will get all those comments, likes and followers. So that's it guys in this video. I hope you like that. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video to all. If you have any doubt, then comment me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Jai Hind.